Hi everyone, welcome back to my new vlog. So I usually post my some videos that contain some mathematical problems and solution the way I like to solve them. But today I will talk about how like one unique problem of that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on is equal to minus 1 by 12. That is the famous Ramanujan problem. So why all the positive numbers till infinity becomes negative? So I am like not showing my face, but I will explain why just showing you the beautiful view of this college. And it's around 2:30 a.m. in the morning. I am coming from my lab, and so I decided to make this video. Although like irrespective of every problems in the world people are facing, so I will go straight forward and try to explain why this is so. So there are few things. Let's say you count flowers: one flowers, two flowers, three flowers, and four flowers plus five flowers. So that's how like you will have lots of flowers if you will keep on counting them. But what happens if we will count those things to infinity? Can we count? I think we can't. Like, take a number 1 billion crore something number, then after that also there are far more numbers, right? Similarly, like, this infinity is not a number, it's just a way to like express the things that we can't everything in this like number system. So this is how we are going to say. Let's say there are two numbers, 0.1 and 0.2. There are infinite numbers between those two numbers also, so we can't count like how many numbers are there. So similarly, if we will go 0.01 and 0.002, how many numbers are between them? There are infinite numbers, right? Similarly, like, this is a fashion to express that this is infinity, but there is no way to like say like those numbers are going to be like infinity. And the Ramanujan problem is very simple, like expressed to the people who use those in like string theory and number theory. Like, let's say you got some problem, like we are adding something till infinity, then you can use those expression that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and infinite. You can use that expression minus 1 by 12 as a solution of that infinite number sum. So that's how these things will work. Okay, so let's say if we will say uh, can you express 0.999 bar as a fraction, but if you will say, like, going to simplify with that mathematical formula like 0.99 and into 10, and then again if we will minus, we will get exactly the value of that x equal to 1, that 0.99 and bar is equal to 1. But in actually if you will express 0.99 in some like numeric of like that fraction form, then you will not get like exactly equal to 1. So this infinity is like going to say that there is something which is tending, not exactly, right? So that's how these expressions are work. So like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, 4 plus 5 plus and plus till infinity, it's minus 12, 1 by minus 12, like equal to minus 1 by 12. So that's the expression we people use for our like system of mathematical uh, calculations, or we use it as a tool. But there is no like sense to express infinity as a number, because infinity can't be expressed. So this is the like expression what I think of like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till infinity equal to minus 1 by 12. So this is the way to use as a tool in mathematical or string theory or any other physics problems. So there is nothing to like exact. Okay, so I will stop here after showing you some animals here. These are nilgai.